To set up your favorites, you can do this in your account settings. You can get here by going to your initials in the top right corner and hitting account settings. Then hit your favorites tab. Here you'll see all of the favorites that are associated with your accounts. On this tab, you can give each favorite a unit cost. This will have an added benefit when you create quotes. Anything that you'll have done in this tab will auto-populate on your quote. You can also add in individual items here, such as GPOs, data points, concrete, whatever is applicable to your trade. Give it a color, give it a unit of measurement, and again, add in that unit cost. If you want to, you can add in a percentage wastage. Say for concrete, that will always attribute a 10% wastage to your quote. The benefit of setting up your favorites is that every time you upload a project, the groups will automatically be there in the tools ready for you to measure. This way you can work your way down through the checklist and make sure that you've got everything boxed off. Once you create a new quote, it will bring you to the quote preview page. You'll see here that all of your favorites that you've measured on the project will have a unit price assigned to them. If for whatever reason you need to change them because the spec is different, you can edit those prices on a per project basis. Also, you'll be able to enter in the unit price of anything that you don't already have assigned a price to it. By setting up your favorites, you're going to speed up how you do your takeoffs and estimating, ultimately helping you price more work and win more jobs.